Hey, thanks for joining me here in the lowlands. In today's video, I have the Bulletpoint device mounting kit for my Jeep Gladiator. Always liked this truck, but I can't say I'm in love with the lack of options of where to put your phone other than the cup holders. So I ordered this kit and I thought it might be fun to make a video out of unboxing it and installing it. I don't think it's going to take very long. Hope I'm right. I don't know what else there is to say about it besides that, so let's get it opened up, see what's in here. So I am just opening this up for the first time here on camera. I know what I ordered, which is the dash kit, but I got the one that comes with the tablet arm because my phone is stupidly huge. I've got the two-screen Android phone for a Microsoft Surface Duo. So anyway, I need the tablet mount. So we got one Bulletpoint box, Bulletpoint mounting kit. What is this? The phone ballpoint holder. This big guy. And my invoice. Lovely. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, oh, opens right up. Ooh, stickers. Contact card. This must be the tablet mount. It's pretty big. Bullet. Okay. And the arm that secures it. That all came together. And then in here we have a sticker. That's what we have. Ooh. Hopefully this is instructions. Oh, it is instructions. No pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 10. What? Does that instruction sheet make any sense? I mean, it's been a couple minutes, decades since I've been in school, but I don't think that's how you count to 10. Hardware. The important piece, very important piece. Another mounting ball. The phone holder. Another arm. And the GoPro mount, which is good because I just got a GoPro on sale at Costco, so that's fun. There's all the pieces. Don't know how well they're coming across in the video, but there they are. I can't pick up the stickers. Oh my goodness. Anyway, looks pretty simple. Looks pretty simple. Let's get it set up. Back to the truck. Okay, we are in the truck and ready to install. Instructions have steps, 7 steps. Steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 again, and then 10. So that's cool. Let's see how this goes. 10 to 15 minutes install time. Maybe I should start a timer on my watch. In fact, I'm going to. Stopwatch. Start. Okay. Step 1, remove the rubber cover from the dash tray and set aside. I guess this needs to go too. Sorry, Duck. Remove the tray. Does this just... oh. This just comes out? Who knew? Okay. I guess set aside means on the floor of the passenger. Okay. Step 1 done. Number 2. Use a small Phillips head screwdriver to remove the OEM fastener screws under the angled portion. There? Oh, okay. Nice thing is, comes with a little toolkit, so I don't have to dig out my own screwdriver. This is definitely what I would call small. So, alright, here we go. I can't see, so we're doing this by feel. Oh, number 1 is coming out. My camera battery is about to die, so I may have to change it. I guess this is the battery changing song. Alright, 2 screws are out. Are out. Hello. 2 screws are out. Step 3. Set the ruby grid base in place. Like this. That looks pretty flat to me. To determine where I would like the mounting balls to be located for optimal device usage. It sounds like there's a kid in my garage. Hi, Tobin.
One of these walkie-talkies died.
Okay, I'll get new batteries for it. Thanks, buddy.
Where are you going?
I'm just working on my truck tonight.
Why is the camera right there?
Because I'm making a video of fixing my truck.
Why? Why?
Forgot I let the neighbor kids borrow my walkie-talkies the other night. So they brought them back. Back to what we were doing. Set the base in place. That looks flat to me. Determine where the mounting balls should be located for optimal device usage. Usage. Once I've determined ideal locations, remove it from the tray. Okay, so these things, decide where they go. Which I've got. We got giant clamp for my giant phone. Oh, what's up, buddy?
What is this for?
I'm just using it as a table today.
Why?
This regularly scheduled broadcast has been interrupted by cute neighbor kids. Okay, what was I saying? Okay, this is for my monster phone, so I guess it probably should go on my side, or should I put it over here? I guess it doesn't matter, because I've got mine, one for me, one for my wife, and then that GoPro. So I guess we'll just do it on the extreme ends. One on each end and one in the middle, right? Why not? Makes sense to me. Because step 4, remove the thing from the dash and use the bolts and attach those. So that's these guys. And it comes with a little bolt. So a bolt. It comes with a little wrench. There we go. So I'll be right back. We'll get those attached. Okay. Got my balls mounted. One on each end, one right in the middle. Bigger makes the most sense. So we are on step 5, which is attach this with those 2 screws again. Wait, did I? Oh, I'm an idiot. I forgot to attach this one. Nice. Okay, we are back with all 3 actually attached now. So this is the fun part. I think this should be fun, trying to get the factory screws back in here, since I can't see over the edge of the dash. So hopefully this isn't too complicated. See if that goes in right away or not. Give it a wiggle. Come on, baby. Get in there. Oh, we got that one started. I'll put the other one in before it gets too tight. Feel like I missed, maybe not. Maybe that's correct. Aha! Yes! That one started fairly easily too. and I didn't want to cheat. I didn't get my own tools. I have only used what they sent with the kit so far, and it's been not too bad. I'm at 20 minutes on my 15-minute instructions, but I did have the neighbor kids come over and talk to me for a bit, so we're probably right around 15. Okay, after step 5 is the second step 4. Attach the arm to the base. For the first 30 days, you may need to periodically retighten these. Okay. So, I did notice in the light that these have a slight blue tint to them, which is interesting. Hopefully it's not too prominent when I'm using it. I don't know if I want a blue tint. Oh, that came off. Cool. It's a wing nut. It'll go right back on, right? Yeah, easy peasy. Actually, I want to put that the other way so I don't have to look at the wing nut while I'm driving. Oops. What the? Aha, there we go. Nice. So that's on there, and then if I try my massive tablet mount for my stupidly huge phone. Same kind of thing, tighten this down. Bingo bango. It's a phone mount. There we go. Well, I guess all that's left now is attach the other two. And get the other two attached here and drive around with it for a couple days and see what we think. I'll get some footage of what it looks like with phones in here too. But anyway, that wasn't too bad. It said 15 minutes, and I think it probably took me about 16, but I do have 3, and most of these kits probably just have 2, so I had some extra time. Not bad. Pretty easy to all put together. So after step 4, number 2, step 4 twice, we've got step 10, which is post on social media. We'll see. That could be fun. Okay, I'll report back after this is all done. Thanks for hanging out this long. Okay, I haven't driven around anywhere yet, but I did go ahead and attach my giant phone, my giant 2-screen phone, to the tablet mount, and I have to say, it seems pretty slick. It's only the height I sit. You can see there's still quite a bit of room above the phone and the mirror. So that's actually not bad. I don't know why most of the time I would want this up, because I would normally have it hooked to Android Auto, but if for some reason I wanted to put it up here, that's really cool. I think that's going to work well. And I bet I can move it over here, and I have even better view. In fact, let's do that. Oops, wrong side. Okay, so if I set it on the right post, it is even less in the way. So, not bad. Interested to see what driving around like that's like. Okay, it's been a couple weeks since I got this thing installed, and I have been using it with my phone. This arm definitely belongs on the right with the size of my phone. I like it over there. What do I think of the thing so far though? Well, I was concerned, not really concerned, but it said on the instructions that the arm might move a little bit the first 30 days or so, and it really hasn't scooted down at all. It's held nice and solid. That's good. The quality of the mount itself, this went in easy. It's super solid. I like the way it looks. I think it's super sturdy and it's going to last forever. Same thing with the phone mount. Like this thing is metal. It's got rubber pads. It's super sturdy. This thing's fantastic. But my only complaint with this whole thing, criticism if you want to call it that, is this large phone mount, this tablet holder. Everything solid, sturdy, metal, but for some reason, not this guy. This, I don't know if you can hear it, is some kind of cheap, thin plastic. And you can hear this thing rattle around while I'm driving. Maybe if I turned it over so that this was on the bottom, I wouldn't hear it rattle, but then the lower part of this would be up here and just like blocking my whole windshield. So I don't want to do that. I want to use it this way. Not only does it feel light and flimsy and cheap compared to everything else, rock solid metal, rubber pads. The pads are like well, this might be rubber, but the bottoms here, the ones that actually hold the phone, they're like a foam, and I really feel like it's not going to take long before these start to peel off, and then I'm going to be stuck with no padding. They feel cheap, and it feels like they're sliding when I take my phone in and out of here, like they're about to slide or pull off of the plastic. So I'm not sure why everything else is nice and solid. This guy, the mount, the arms, but then this was manufactured in such a cheap fashion. So I'm disappointed that I spent money to get this mount. I will probably investigate other tablet mounts that will fit these balls and these arms from some other manufacturer, because this is a huge disappointment. The setup itself, great, I love it, just not this tablet mount. So there we go. That's what I think. I've got a big trip coming up next week, so it's going to get a ton of use. So I suppose if it all falls apart after that, I'll let you know. Talk to you guys later.